The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Montgomery County and northwestern Harris County until 6:45. At 6:11, a severe thunderstorm was located near Stagecoach or near Tomball, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Ping pong ball-size hail and 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts are associated with this storm, and locations impacted include Tomball, Pinehurst, the Woodlands, Magnolia, Stagecoach, and Hooks Airport. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 6:45 for southwestern Montgomery County and northwestern Harris County. This concludes this broadcast of the Emergency Alert System. Stay tuned to this station for further updates on severe weather conditions.